Starting things off, SoundHound has announced their brand ID tool for their Chat AI voice assistant, with features now being tested with some of SoundHound's OEM partners in the automotive industry. This involves greater customizations around brand identity and interactions with loyal consumers, through the ability to set predefined answers to common and brand-relevant questions, along with the ability to make time-limited changes for greater ease of implementing seasonal or campaign-specific updates, as well as global language and variant support that enables a question to be entered in one language and then be deployed across all supported languages with adaptability to variations of the question. To better integrate additions like the Brand ID tool, SoundHound Chat AI has an onboarding and education feature for automakers to personalize branding and educate their end users, so that they can easily get acquainted with in-vehicle voice assistant functions. This takes the form of things like onboarding hints to engage users, customizable greetings, and guidance on instruction manual access. These actions have been taken because SoundHound conducted a study that found many drivers are accessing voice AI, but they often don't fully use all the features. These kinds of customization services are going to be available to automakers in a SaaS model. To learn more about SoundHound AI's business model and technology, please refer to the video about it from last month. In other news, NIO announced expectations for the third quarter of 2024 to have deliveries of vehicles between 61,000 and 63,000 units, for an approximate 10% to 13.7% increase from the same quarter of 2023. Meanwhile, ChargePoint reported second quarter revenue was $108.5 million, down 28% from $150.5 million in the prior year's same quarter. Network charging systems revenue for the second quarter was $64.1 million, down 44% from $114.6 million in the prior year's same quarter. Subscription revenue was $36.2 million, up 21% from $30 million in the prior year's same quarter. What's more, ChargePoint announced the reorganization of its operations, including a reduction of ChargePoint's current global workforce by approximately 15%. This is expected to result in an estimated operating expense savings of $40 million per year. The bulk of the reorganization's expenses of approximately $10 million is to be incurred during the third and fourth fiscal quarters to address severance payments, employee benefits, and related costs. Then, mark September 12th on your calendar because GAUZ, the vision and light control technology company, will be at the B. Riley Securities Consumer and TMT Conference in New York. On that same day, ASTS Space Mobile is set to launch the first 5 commercial satellites, called Bluebirds, each featuring the largest ever commercial communications arrays to be deployed in low Earth orbit. AST explained, "This large array of antennas is designed to reach standard smartphones directly at cellular broadband speeds for voice, data, and video, and other non-communications government applications. After launch, the Bluebird satellites are planned to offer non-continuous cellular broadband service across the United States and in select markets globally." This initial service, based on premium low-band spectrum, is planned to support beta test users for AT&T and Verizon, and will target approximately 100% nationwide coverage from space with over 5,600 coverage cells in the United States. As for nano-nuclear energy, their technical team added new researchers to progress Odin microreactor development. These 2 PhDs are Dr. Anujay Dubey and Dr. Kongjin Ding, who both have backgrounds involving sodium-cooled fast reactors and analysis of safety measures. Their roles at NNE will focus on collecting and analyzing data from the test rigs, the construction of which NNE says marks a significant phase in the development of the microreactor. These test rigs are crucial for physical tests, which will be invaluable for collecting real-world data, validating models, and advancing the licensing process. For more on all these companies, please watch the respective videos outlining their business plans, strengths, and risks. Then would you kindly please subscribe to Ascencore for news and coverage of more companies coming very soon. Thanks and have a nice day.